You know when you're drawing eyes and you draw the first one and it comes out so pretty, and then you draw the second one and it looks like a kindergartner drew it? I'm going to show you a really easy hack on how to fix that. We're going to be using something that I call the Japanese flag method, which basically you're going to be drawing a box for each eye. Try to make these boxes as even as you can. Make them further or closer apart depending on how far apart you want your eyes to be. Then you're going to make it look like a Japanese flag by adding a circle in the center. If it helps, you can draw a cross going through the box. That way you can make the circle completely in the center. And then you're going to draw a curve going from one side of the box to the other, and then another one on the bottom. This is going to create the slit for the eyelid, and there are so many shapes that you can do for this. You're going to make a small circle exactly in the center of the bigger circle. And just erase wherever the eyelid overlapped the circle. And then you're going to make a curved line above the curved line that you already made, and this is going to be the crease to the eyelid. There are so many different ways that the eyelid crease can sit on the eye, so I just put a few examples of the most basic differences on the screen. Some are more round, some are more straight, some people don't even have a crease. People have an epicanthic fold, which covers the tear duct a little bit. You make an eyebrow going over where the top of the box was, and then erase all the guidelines.